August, the Trump administration deported hundreds of illegal migrants, some with alleged gang ties, to a mega prison in El Salvador. It comes after an Obama-appointed judge temporarily blocked the president from using a wartime act for those deportations. White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt says, quote, "The administration did not refuse to comply with a court order. That order, which had no lawful basis, was issued after terrorists, aliens, had already been removed from U.S. territory. A single judge in a single city cannot direct the movements of an aircraft carrying foreign alien terrorists who were physically expelled from U.S. soil." That's telling them. Border Czar Tom Homan joins us this morning. Tom, great to have you here. What would you say to critics who claim that this administration is refusing to comply with that judge?
Well, actually, we did comply with his written order on the 5 aliens that he didn't want deported, and we complied with that. But look, you know, I agree with Caroline Leavitt. I don't think he had authority to have a plane of terrorists turn around in the middle of international waters and bring terrorists back into this country. That's what this country is about. President Trump has promised American people he's going to drive down illegal immigration crime in this country. That's what we're doing, especially when it comes to TDA. They're terrorists. They've been designated terrorists. And I can sit here for the next hour and talk about all the young women that raped and murdered by TDA, the robberies committed by TDA. They are an enemy of this country, and we removed them per the Alien Enemies Act, which is exactly what the president did, is exactly the right thing to do.
Let's move on to this one, Tom. President Trump just deployed a Navy destroyer ship to support the mission at the southern border. That same ship recently spent 9 months in the Middle East fighting off assaults from Houthi rebels in the Red Sea. In what capacity will the ship be used to support border control? That's the question.
Well, look, guys, we know as the southern border is the most secure we've ever seen it. Illegal immigration down 95, 96%, which is unprecedented. Some of these groups, like a lot of these cartels, aren't going to simply go away. They're going to try to smuggle people through maritime. So more people are going to go to the water, and we want to make sure we have that blockade set up too. So they're going to help seal the border on the maritime, both maritime, Pacific and the Atlantic, to make sure, again, public safety threats don't enter this country illegally.